Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Health and Family Welfare hanik ngik shitarik laraki kawol AIDS Day States Convention Center. Hakanik ngilawan bani donlang dagi Emily uba Alderbot Nongrum uba Alan Singh Soin uba Matthew B Kurba u Principal Secretary Sampat Kumar ki Dr. Kisamla Bat Kiwei. Habakren hakanik ngi u Menteri Tnat Health and Family Welfare uba Wailat Miki Shilla Ulapan pau ba habau shimti kum menteri jong katnat ki nongelam jong ka max kelawan bani kendu ya u harangkat ke jing pentip ki kam ki bagi trai ula berab da ka baong ba wadla kum ka kunhon kala trai shitom man pynsngewthuh halor kani ke jingpang mat kmi lenti bagi pajba kin wan ban letes rei ka jingdon jing nongpang kadang buan uba sila ulong bandon ya ke jingpang HIV kamdei tang bangidon ya kani ke jingpang hanrai ke jingsha kren balai pojait ha ki pajba ru kakta sibun yaki nagaleng menteri ula kentui ki pajba ke jela bani trailang namar kani ke kamla ban urlong ladangi hap ban ap tang ya ka max bakan trei hanrai ke deiru ke kamram jungi iwei pa iwei bangin ni trailang ula penbenaru bak sorkar kan sedang ya ke 5 years mission ani ka mission ka basansnem ha ka bakin bu bun tili ki jaka ban letes hakaleng jela mat kumjuro kap sorkar kan mang pisa kamba arpsan klur tam ai na ka benda ki jaka sumar bat ki jaka ban letes
Voluntary Health Association Meghalaya ID program. Can we have somebody from our ID? The Meghalaya State Network of Positive People. Biomedical Technology.
More testing, more treatment center, ART center. Because right now, because it's quite difficult especially for the infected person, like to come out from the rural area all the way through this. Because right now we are like most of the testing and the treatment center are located in the civil hospitals, like in the town area. That's why we like to reach more in order to make it more accessible. So that's why from the state government we are pushing for more funds in order to, because this was discussed in the many meetings before also that we need more ART centers. So more ART centers, that means we have to spend more. So that money is for that. Because seeing the reluctance of the people living with HIV to come forward, and then for those who have come forward for treatment also, then they lost their so that's means that looking at all this, it shows that people are still afraid of this stigma, and because of this kind of things which is happening all around. Maybe on record we have not got any information, but right now only the one incident which we got just recently in Umulong. So that one also like the association, like the president today, he mentioned that after the intervention and all that it was taken care. So like because of all these kind of things, so that's why I think the people who are trying to come forward also, they are scared. So that's why I urge the people that our focus should not be only to the infected people, but to the affected people. Because until and unless the society will not accept it, then it will be very challenging for the department to come up with the I think the effort will go in vain if the people don't come forward and help and support on this. Because right now, like I said, because like I mentioned in my speech also, that I said we need to find out why is there in the existing, like from these people who are infected. So we need to find out what are the reasons. So in order for them to come forward, we need to address all those issues. So like we have pointed out the main issue is just stigmatization. And then which after like when anybody come forward also, then their family being harassed, and then like so other things follow up. So that's why we need to focus, like I mentioned, that the awareness program, awareness part is very important. We need to give more awareness to even to the affected people also, not the infected. The affected, the normal population also, we need to give them awareness that until and unless we work it together, until and unless like we are welcome these people, then they will not come forward. So if they don't come forward, then in those time, then they will end up affect more people.
Coming to that 5
Very soon, in the next cabinet itself now, because everything is ready, we are already ready with the cabinet memo. So in the next cabinet itself, we'll bring it and then we'll approve it, and then after that, then we'll call all the stakeholders, because we really like to hear from them also what to add more, what are the challenges, what are the things they want to put, and then after that, then we'll start to roll out the mission.